In front of me is Realme C15, and let me show you how to change icon style, icon shape on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select home screen and lock screen magazine, scroll down to the very bottom of the list where you will notice set icon style, so just mark it, and now you can stay with default. You can choose one from the following list, which are material style, people, or custom. Agree, and here you can pick the corner, foreground, and icon itself, so you can resize it, and here you can change the shape. So let me leave it, for example, this way. You can also turn off art and icon. As you can see, this is the difference, so you can do it also on people and material style. But I will go to custom. I will stay like this. I can make it smaller so you can see the difference. Tap on apply. And that's it. As you can see, the icon shape has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.